Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so I have a twist for you. I'm going to use this brownie mix. It says brownie cookie bar mix. Brownie cookie bar mix with semi-sweet chocolate chips. Okay, so basically in this one box, they have a package of chocolate chip cookie mix and a package of brownie mix. Okay, so we're going to experiment with that, and then I'm going to have my own twist to go on it. How about that? So I'm going to call it brownie cookie balls. How about that? Brownie cookie balls. And I'm going to see how we're going to work it like that. Okay, give it a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so let's make the chocolate chip cookie bar mix first. And I have the two separate bowls here. Okay, so the cookie dough calls for 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter with melted, which I have here. So let's put that in. And 2 tablespoons of water, which I have right here. Okay, now we're going to mix that up. Okay, so our cookie mix is mixed up. Now let's do the brownie mix. Brownie mix. Oops. Okay, now the brownie mix calls for 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter melted. Here's my 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter melted. And it calls for 1 egg. Here's my 1 egg. Okay, I'm going to mix the egg together so it becomes one, the white with the yolk. So now, let's mix the brownie mix together. Okay. So now that we have the both mixed, now we're going to do it Grandma Ray's way. How about that? Okay, I'm going to use this pan. I'm going to put a little olive oil on it and then wipe it with a paper towel. Okay. So now as it becomes my creation, okay? So let's see. I'm making a ball out of the cookie, right? The cookie dough. I just took some and made this ball. Now I want to make a hole right in the middle, almost like a donut. Push it out all around the edge, but keep a bottom to it because you want the brownies to hold in there, okay? You can keep pushing it out, making it bigger. See what I did? Keep pushing it out. Like so, okay? Now I'm going to put it here on the pan. And I want to make sure that my edge is really high so that the brownie mix don't come out of it. So I'm building it up on the edge. Okay. I need a butter knife. Okay, so you see I got a tablespoon of brownie mix, and I'm going to put that, let me make sure you can see. I'm going to put that right in the middle. That's what we're going to be doing, guys. How about that? Doesn't that look cute? Being creative. Okay, I got a little, see? Now you're going to put your finger right in the middle and start pushing it out, making it wider, but leaving the bottom intact. You have to have an edge, so make sure you have that so it doesn't come out. I'm pushing it out, but keeping my edge. See, my edge is kind of collapsing here. I gotta build that up. See what I'm doing? Whew! That scared me. The knife fell out and it scared me, guys. Okay. And I'm pushing the edges back up because I need them to stay intact so that I can put the brownie mix in there without it coming out. Okay. And that keeps falling out. I think I'll leave it out. Okay, that's the second one. See? I'm just hoping when it starts cooking that it doesn't collapse. The cookie pot don't collapse on me. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how that works. Okay, so I'm going to complete the rest of them and I'll bring you back. Thank you. Okay guys, this is what we're looking like. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to put them in the oven on 350 degrees. And you want to look for the cookie pot to be a little darker brown than it is right now. Not much, okay? I'll show you the color when it comes out. Okay, let me put them in. Okay guys, they're out. So I was gonna name this brownie cookie ball. I think I'll name it brownie cookie flat ball because they spread it out. But look at that. See, you could just be creative and create any kind of pattern you want. How about that, huh? Oh, I can't wait to taste the brownie with the cookie together. Well, let's taste. So I wanted to show you. You see, it's the cookie mix is not that much darker than it started out. So you just want just a little shade of darkness on the cookies and they're done. And then stick a knife in the middle, and if the knife comes out clean, you're good. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you that edge. Okay, and you stick a knife in the middle, comes out clean, you're done. Okay? Alright. So let me taste. Let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is creative. Creative. There's some creativity in all of us. Sometimes we just don't know it's there. But if you just start experimenting on in and everything, you will soon find out how you are creative. And when you find that out, hold on to it, practice it, and really, that is where your blessing is. Your creativity will make room for you. That's the word of the day. Okay, so let me take my brownie cookie flat ball. Let me take a taste. It's interesting. You get to taste the brownie right away, and then you get to taste the cookie. The combination works together. Very good. Someone who came up with that was very creative. Okay? Alright, give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Go ahead, be creative. That was the whole point of this lesson tonight. Be creative. Talk to you soon. Subscribe. Thanks.